You've just heard from Donald Trump himself, the 7 reasons he believes in the Trump Network. But is this opportunity right for you? For you to achieve real success in networking, there are 5 critical things that must be in place, and all 5 of them have to be great. These 5 things are great company, great products, great compensation plan, great team support, and great timing. Let's evaluate the Trump Network using this as our criteria. Donald Trump evaluated 26 companies before he chose Ideal Health as the company he would put his name on. Ideal Health was started in 1997, but was rebranded as the Trump Network in November 2009. So you have the energy, excitement, and momentum of a startup without the risk. Clearly a great company. The flagship product of the Trump Network is a customized vitamin. You take a simple in-home test that is sent to a premium lab, Metametrics, near Atlanta, Georgia. Your test is analyzed and your personalized formula is created. You receive your very own customized vitamins that have been scientifically created just for you. Your name is even on the box. The technology of metabolic testing that was once only available to pro athletes and the rich and famous is now available to you. Our line also includes healthy food alternatives. Silhouette Solutions is a scientifically based, protein-calibrated weight loss program that works long-term to help you not only reach your ideal weight, but to maintain it as well. We have an ever-increasing line of high-protein, low-carbohydrate children's Snazzle snacks aimed at helping kids snack better and maintain a healthy weight. There are mood infusion beverages that help eliminate the need for high-calorie get-me-ups or pick-me-ups during the day. They are all natural and made from herbs that work directly to stabilize both the body and mind. Bioche is our patented anti-aging skin renewal system, which was created in Switzerland by the leading cosmeceutical manufacturer in the world. This is the highest quality active botanical all-natural line you can buy. The Trump Network product line is positioned to dominate the largest repeat consumable marketplace in the world. Great products are what sustains a great company and the residual income you create. The Trump Network offers lucrative weekly and monthly compensation plans. The weekly Fast Start bonus enables you to receive $100 to $225 for each first-level Fast Start Way purchase. These bonuses let you earn money your first week and provide immediate income while you build your long-term wealth. The Trump Network also provides training bonuses, a car awards program, and numerous promotional bonuses. Together, these create the industry's most attractive compensation system. Having great team support will allow you to build a strong and profitable business, even if you have no prior networking experience. By partnering with someone successful on your team, you'll have a mentor to help you every step of the way. Combined with the Trump Network's value-based training and wealth creation system, you'll have the support and the systems you need to be successful. The most important of the 5 is great timing. Being in the right company at the right time is critical. Even if Amway or Mona V meet all the above criteria, they do not offer the opportunity today that they did before they became a household name. Timing is key. In addition to these 5, there is one other important factor to consider: the power of the Trump brand. This one word adds instant credibility to your business. The Trump name is recognized worldwide and is synonymous with success. And since Mr. Trump is personally involved in building the business, you'll have the world's #1 entrepreneur giving your business presentations for you. If you're serious about creating a plan B, the Trump Network is for you. This is your chance to profit share with a billionaire and get in on the ground floor of what will become the largest network marketing company in the world.